Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off favorite bar on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Under address bar you will find a favorite bar to access quickly to any favorite website. If you want to turn off this favorite bar, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings, click on appearance. Now scroll down, you will find an option here, show favorites bar, and by default it's always. Click on the drop down menu and click on never, and look, the favorite bar is hidden right now. I am opening new tab. Look, there is no favorite bar here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.